Hello traders, it's Rick here. Wanted to share with you a trading opportunity that I'm looking at um, here on the euro dollar. I was looking at this this morning, but now that I'm home for work and looking at the chart to see kind of what happened throughout the day. Um, Let me kind of show you what I was looking at this morning. Um, just kind of ignoring what's happened in the past and just starting right here at this most recent move up. Okay, and breaking the structure here to the left. Okay. We're getting our we got a pullback outside return, and then we got price to push up, giving us a new structure high. Okay, this here puts me on a bullish rotation, and since we got this new structure high, we've just been consolidating. Okay, we find a little bit of a support right here where price is currently, but if as we drop down to a lower time frame on the 4 hour, you're going to notice that we have a potential advanced pattern setting up. Okay. Um, Scrunch my chart up a little bit more. See if I can make this bigger here. So I mean, you can see this right here. I mean, this is the move that I drew on the daily chart, and I'm just going to throw some Fibonacci's on here real quick. Kind of get you. Let me show you what I'm looking at here on the dollar. So swing low to swing high. Okay, and then we're going to go back down. Okay. So our completion on this Gartley pattern is going to be at the 127 extension. So let me draw this on so you can see it. So our Gartley pattern is going to look like this. Let me change that color to ugly. Or we put like a. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. Okay, so it's going to complete down here at 105.8 for a potential position. So the reason I wanted to point this out is, I mean, you could trade this just as an advanced pattern if that's what's in your plan. Okay. However, you can also potentially trade this as an entry reason if you're a trend continuation trader to look to retest these highs up here at 113.65, 66s, something like that. I will be trading it just as an advanced pattern, but wanted to put it out there and kind of show it to you. For your stops, just have to be below S. And I think the way I had it measured out is I'm going to be right about 60. I think 60 pips of risk. See if I can drag this down. And just measure it out. I was like at 60 pips or something like that. Closer to 50 pips to my stop. And then for my target at 382 is 116. And then 188 to target 2. So you could have something setting up like this. Let me see if I can use these fancy drawing tools here. You could do something like this. Let's see. Color that red. Okay, for your risk. And then for your target 1 would be like this. Okay. And then target 2 would look like this. Oh. So you got target 1, target 2, right? And then, you know, this move right here is from the daily chart. So one could, I mean, if it was in their plan, they had tested it or whatnot, and they were a trend continuation trader, one could look at it like this. With the same amount of risk. Or you could, you know, eventually, depending on how you trade it, you could you'd look to oh, I grabbed the wrong one. It looks like depending on how you trade it, I mean, you could, you know, I mean, if you're a true continuation trader, you could look to take targets up here at the top, right, up here, and you could get your stop of this initial move right here, and still be okay. Because if I clone this target, let's clone that, and then drag it down, show you. So even with the 1-to-1, you'd be like way down here. So I mean, you could get it, you know, down here by the 1414, the extension of the A to X leg right there. I mean, just any one here. I mean, you're in a pretty good state. It just depends on how you trade it. Okay. Like I said, though, I mean, I'll be trading it as just a Gartley if price can get down there and get me in. So that's the euro dollar. There was a smaller pattern in here too that I took. I think my hourly chart or something, but it's already over with. But that's the euro dollar. Another setup on New Zealand dollar. I'm currently in this trade here on the 4-hour. It is, I believe it's right here. So X to A. Yeah, we'll come down to the 50%. And then it's going to be a bull cipher. X to A. Back down. Just kind of showing the reading of drawn fibs on. Okay, so the first move is going to be X to A to B. Okay. And then you got B to C up here. And then D completion was down. Not quite as low. I think it's like right in here. Let me draw these fibs up here. Let's raise these up. Right there. Okay, so I'm a little low here. So this cipher completed at 7170 area. Right in here. Okay. However, I did get a little bit better entry because I was late to the trade, but it was still valid. So I did take it. Now, with this cipher on there, okay, can you see the other one? There is another potential cipher setting up if price can actually rally. X to A. Now you could take, can you take it from there? You could take it from here too, but I'm using this lower low right here. But you could take it from here if you needed, I mean if you wanted to, but I'm going to take it from right here. Okay. So I'm going to have another bearish cipher setting up like this. X to A to B, B to C, and C to D is going to be up here. And the reason I said it doesn't matter which one you take, because no matter which one, if you take this one right here or this one right here, you're still going to be above this high when it completes. So for me, it's still okay. Let's drag this down to find out where we're going to complete if we can get up there. Oh, look at that. Almost right on it. Almost right on it. A little bit high. But I mean, that's another potential cipher. So, I mean, I'm in this bullish one here. If we get up there and hit targets 1 and 2, okay, and rally a little bit higher, I can get another entry, what they call it, stop and reverse, and ride the thing back down. So just a couple opportunities I wanted to share with you this evening. Um, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.